Hello and welcome to Fast Talk English.
I'm Jack.
And this is Sarah.
And today, today is a big one.
We're talking about two words, just two small words.
But these two words confuse almost every English learner on the planet.
Even advanced learners, even people who studied English for years.
The words, still and yet.
You've heard them 1,000 times.
But do you really know how to use them?
Like a native speaker?
Probably not. And that's okay, because after this video,
you will. 100% you will.
So stay with us. Don't click away.
This video is going to change something in your brain.
Trust us. Let's go.
Quick question. Real question.
Have you ever been in a conversation in English
and someone asked you something simple?
And your brain just stopped?
Like you knew the answer,
but you didn't know which word to use.
Still or yet?
And you just stood there, frozen, silent.
That uncomfortable silence, that panic inside.
We know that feeling. We've seen it so many times.
And here's the truth nobody told you.
It's not your fault.
Nobody ever showed you the real difference.
Not the grammar book difference. The real difference.
The feeling, the emotion, the way native speakers actually think.
That's what today is about.
So if you've ever mixed up still and yet, comment below. Write me right now.
We want to know. Then we're going to fix this together today.
Okay, we want to tell you a story.
A real story about two real people.
Their names are Maya and Leo.
Maya is 28 years old. She lives in a busy city.
She has a big dream. She wants to start her own business.
She has the idea, she has the plan, she has the energy.
But there's one problem.
She hasn't started.
She still hasn't started.
Did you notice? I used still, Sarah used yet.
Same situation, different words, different feeling.
We'll explain that very soon. Just keep watching.
Leo is Maya's best friend. He's positive. He's funny. He's patient.
And one morning, Maya calls him.
She sounds tired, frustrated, stuck.
And she says,
Leo, I don't know what's wrong with me.
I still haven't started my business.
Every day I say, today is the day.
And then the day passes and nothing happens.
Hey, listen to me.
Have you finished your business plan yet?
No, not yet.
Are you still feeling scared about it?
Yes, I'm still scared.
That's okay. Fear means you care.
Have you talked to your mentor yet?
No, I haven't done that yet either.
That's your next step. Call her today.
Are you still thinking about quitting your job first?
Yes, I'm still thinking about it, but I'm not sure.
Then don't quit yet, but start one small thing today.
Pause.
Did you hear all the still and yet in that conversation?
It felt natural, right? Like two real friends.
Because it was two real friends.
And now, let's go back inside that conversation.
And understand every single moment, every single word.
Let's talk about still first.
Here's the best way to feel it.
Imagine time, a timeline.
Something started in the past.
And it's continuing, right now. It hasn't stopped.
That's still. It's about something ongoing.
Something that hasn't changed.
Like, I'm still scared.
Maya was scared before. She's still scared now.
The fear didn't stop. It continued.
Or, she still hasn't started her business.
She had the dream a long time ago, and still nothing has changed.
Still has this feeling of, it's the same. Nothing has moved.
And here's the important rule about position.
Still goes in the middle of the sentence.
Between the subject and the verb.
Like this, I still love this song.
Not, I love still this song. No.
She still doesn't know. Right there, in the middle.
And in negative sentences, still often carries an emotional weight.
Like, he still hasn't called me.
Feel that? There's something in it.
A little frustration, a little sadness, a little surprise.
Like, I expected something to change, but it hasn't.
That's the emotional power of still.
Now let's practice. Repeat after me. Ready?
I am still learning English. Say it. Again.
She still hasn't finished. Repeat.
They are still talking. One more time.
Perfect. You're doing great.
Now, yet.
This is where it gets really interesting.
And this is where most learners make mistakes.
Yet is about expectation.
Something that should happen or is expected to happen.
But it hasn't happened. Not yet.
And yet lives in two places only.
Number 1, questions.
Number 2, negative sentences.
Listen, have you finished your business plan yet?
Leo expected Maya to be working on the plan.
He's asking, is it done? Has it happened?
And Maya answers, no, not yet.
Not yet, but it's expected to happen. That's the beautiful feeling of yet.
Something hasn't happened, but it will. It should. There's hope in yet.
Now, where does yet go in a sentence?
Almost always at the end.
I haven't eaten yet. Yet at the end.
Have you started yet? Yet at the end.
She hasn't arrived yet. Yet at the end.
Simple rule. End of sentence. Always.
Now, here's the twist. The moment everything connects.
Ready?
Sometimes, still and yet describe the same situation.
But from a different angle.
Listen to these two sentences.
She hasn't started her business yet.
She still hasn't started her business.
Same situation. Maya, no business. But
Yet feels neutral, factual, expected.
still feels emotional, heavier. Like, wow, really? Even now?
It's a tiny difference, but native speakers feel it.
And once you feel it, you'll never confuse them again.
Let's practice yet now. Repeat after we.
Have you seen that movie yet?
I haven't tried it yet. Repeat.
Not yet. Short and powerful. Say it.
Amazing. You're sounding more natural already.
Okay, more practice. New situation.
Imagine two colleagues, Ben and Clara. Busy office, big deadline.
Clara, good morning. How's the project?
Honestly, not great.
I still don't have all the data I need.
Really? Hasn't the research team sent it yet?
No, not yet.
I emailed them twice. I'm still waiting.
Wow, 3 days now. Are they still working on it?
I think so, but I'm not sure.
Have you talked to the manager yet?
No, not yet. Should I?
Yes. I've been patient, but I can't wait much longer.
The deadline is still 3 days away.
But 3 days is not a lot of time.
You're right. I'll talk to him right now.
Have you started the report yet, even without all the data?
I've started, but I haven't finished the introduction yet.
I'm still working on the structure.
Keep going. I'll handle the manager. We can do this.
Did you feel the tension there?
Still waiting. Not yet. Are they still working?
Every single one, natural, real, human.
That's how native speakers talk. Every single day.
One more conversation. Lighter this time. More fun. 2 friends, Emma and Tom, planning a vacation.
Okay. Have you booked the flights yet?
Not yet. I've been looking, but I still can't decide.
Tom, we've been talking about this trip for 2 months.
And you still haven't booked anything?
I know. I'm still comparing prices. One flight is cheaper, but has a long layover.
Have you checked hotel prices yet?
Yes, I found an amazing hotel, but I haven't booked it yet. I was waiting for you to confirm the dates.
Have you told your boss you need time off yet?
Not yet. I'm still figuring out the exact dates.
Tom, are you still overthinking everything?
Yes, I'm still doing that.
Book the flight right now. I'll confirm the dates.
Okay, fine. Let's do it.
Tom is so relatable, right?
Everyone knows a Tom.
And did you notice? Every still and yet was perfectly natural.
No grammar rules. Just feeling. Just real conversation.
Okay, stop. This section is important.
These are the most common mistakes English learners make.
with still and yet, every single day.
We're going to bust them, one by one.
And after this, you will never make these mistakes again.
Ready? Let's go.
Mistake number 1.
Using yet in a positive sentence.
A lot of learners say, I have eaten yet.
No, that's wrong. That sounds strange to native speakers.
Yet does not go in positive sentences.
In positive sentences, you use already.
So the correct sentence is, I have already eaten.
Remember, yet lives in questions in negatives only.
Have you eaten yet? Question. Check.
I haven't eaten yet. Negative. Check.
I have eaten yet. Wrong.
Got it? Good. Next mistake.
Mistake number 2.
Wrong position of still.
Some learners say, I love still this place.
That sounds broken. That sounds unnatural.
Still goes between the subject and the verb.
I still love this place. Subject, still, verb, like a sandwich.
She still calls me every Sunday.
Check. Not, she calls still me every Sunday. Wrong.
Middle. Always the middle. Remember that.
GR's mistake number 3.
Using yet where still belongs.
For example, are you yet working at the same company?
That sounds wrong. Native speakers wouldn't say that.
The natural way, are you still working at the same company?
Because you're asking about something ongoing, something continuing.
That's still territory, not yet.
Mistake number 4.
Forgetting the emotion behind still in negative sentences.
When you say, he still hasn't called,
That carries weight. That carries feeling.
it means I expected a call, time passed, still nothing.
But he hasn't called yet. More neutral, more factual.
Same situation, different emotional color.
Native speakers choose between them based on how they feel.
So when you speak, think about your feeling first.
Then choose the word that matches that feeling.
That's how you go from good English to great English.
To the viewer, which mistake did you used to make the most?
Comment below. Tell us. We read every single comment.
And there's no wrong answer. Only practice.
Okay, back to Maya and Leo. 3 weeks later.
And something has changed.
Maya called her mentor, had the meeting.
She finished her business plan,
She registered her business name.
and Leo walks into their favorite coffee shop.
He sees Maya, and something is different.
Her face, her energy, something lighter, something alive.
Okay, what's going on? You look different.
Leo, I did it! I actually did it!
Wait, have you registered the business yet?
Yes, last week.
No way. And the business plan finished yet?
Done. Completely done. My mentor loved it.
Maya, are you still scared?
Honestly, yes. I'm still a little scared.
But it's different now. It feels like excitement.
That's growth. That's exactly what growth feels like.
Have you told your family yet?
Not yet. I want to wait for my first client.
Smart. And your old boss, is he still texting you?
Yes, he is still texting me every week.
Have you replied yet?
No, I haven't replied yet.
Maya!
I know, I'm still deciding what to say.
Did you feel that shift?
At the start, still felt heavy. I still haven't started.
Now, yet feels hopeful. I haven't told my family yet.
Same words, different energy. Different chapter of the story.
That's the full power of still and yet.
They don't just show grammar, they show life.
Practice time. Use your voice. Say it out loud.
Don't just read, speak. That's what trains your brain.
Ready? Let's go.
I'm still learning, and that's okay. Repeat.
Have you seen that movie yet? Say it.
She still hasn't made a decision. Repeat.
I haven't tried it yet, but I will. Say it.
Is he still working on that project? Repeat.
They haven't arrived yet. Say it.
I'm still not sure, but I'm figuring it out. Repeat.
Have you told her the news yet? Say it.
He's still the best teacher I've ever had. Repeat.
I haven't given up yet. Say it.
That last one? Say it one more time.
I haven't given up yet.
Remember that sentence, not just for English, for life.
Bonus time! Real phrases. Native speakers love these.
Listen, repeat, use them this week.
Not yet. The most natural short answer. Use it always.
Someone asks, are you done? Just say, not yet.
Still going strong. Something continues and it's doing well.
How's your business? Still going strong.
Are we there yet? Every kid says this on road trips.
It means, have we arrived? Is it done?
I'm still in shock. Something surprising happened and the feeling continues.
I got the job. Wow, I'm still in shock.
It's not over yet. There's still hope. There's still time.
Very powerful. Use it when you need motivation.
She's still at it. Someone is still continuing something.
Is Emma still studying? Yeah, she's still at it.
You haven't seen anything yet. The best is still coming.
The movie was good. You haven't seen anything yet. Wait for the ending.
Write those down, screenshot this section.
Use one of them this week in a real conversation.
That's how real progress happens. Quick recap, fast and clear, let's go.
Still, something ongoing, something that hasn't changed.
It started in the past and it's continuing right now.
Position, middle of the sentence, between subject and verb.
I still love this. She still doesn't know. He's still here.
Yet, something expected but not happened yet.
Lives in questions and negative sentences only.
Position, end of the sentence.
Have you finished yet? I haven't started yet. Not yet.
In positive senses, use already, not yet.
I have already finished, not I have finished yet.
Still in negatives, emotional, heavy, surprised.
He still hasn't called. Feels like weight and frustration.
Yet in negatives, neutral, factual, forward-looking.
He hasn't called yet. It's expected. It's coming. Just not now.
Screenshot this. Save it. Come back anytime.
Okay, we're almost at the end.
But before we go, I want to say something real.
Something important.
Learning a language is hard.
It takes time. It takes patience.
It takes courage to speak when you're not sure.
To try when you might make a mistake.
To keep going when progress feels slow.
And I think a lot of you watching right now, you know that feeling.
That feeling of, am I getting better? Is my English still not good enough?
And here's what I want you to hear.
You're still here. You watched this whole video.
You practiced. You repeated. You cared enough to keep going.
That matters. That matters so much.
You haven't reached your final goal yet.
None of us have. We're all still growing, still learning.
And that's not weakness. That's the journey.
So, your homework today? Just one thing.
Write one sentence in the comments below.
Use still or yet about your life, your dream, your day.
Like, I haven't spoken to a native speaker yet, but I will.
Or, I'm still working on my confidence, but I'm getting better.
Any sentence, in English. Just try. We read every single comment.
And if this video helped you, please like it. 1 second, that's all.
And if you're not subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button.
Hit the bell. New videos every week.
Real English, real conversations. Every week.
And to everyone already in this community, thank you, really.
We're still here because of you.
And we're not going anywhere yet.
We are still going strong.
And we haven't finished yet. The best is still coming.
So until next time, keep practicing, keep speaking, keep going.
Remember, I haven't given up yet.
See you in the next video.
Bye for now.
Bye.